Hi everyone, welcome to JavaScript Bytes, where we solve practical JavaScript problems in bite-sized chunks. In this video, we'll build a simple yet powerful feature, a dark light mode toggle using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And not just that, we'll make sure your site remembers the user's choice using local storage. No frameworks, no libraries, just clean, beginner-friendly code. So I'm going to start off by creating an index.html file, create the boiler code using built-in features of Visual Studio Code. We are going to link to an external CSS file named style.css that I'm going to create in a minute. And at the bottom of body element, I'm going to add a script tag. The only element we need for now is a button with an ID of theme toggle. So let's get to all of these. Next, I would be creating a style.css file and add some styling to it. Now in our CSS, we define the default light mode, white background, black text, and a smooth transition. To handle dark mode, we'll use a smart trick, a custom data theme attribute on the body element. When data theme is set to dark, we change the background to black and text to white. Now I'm going to add some optional CSS styling. To make the button look better, we add some padding, a background color, and a hover effect. We also tweak the button style in dark mode so it fits the theme. Note this part is truly optional, but I wanted to show you how to style HTML elements when working with this theme toggle. Now we head back to our HTML file and continue with the scripting part. In JavaScript, we start by selecting the toggle button using getElementById. Next, we check if the user already chose a theme. We do that using localStorage.getItem. If a theme is saved, we apply it by setting data theme attribute on the body. If not, we can detect the user's system preference using match media and apply dark mode by default if the system prefers it. In plain English, that's the theme you have set in your operating system. Now we add a click event listener to the button. When clicked, we check the current theme. If it's dark, we switch to light and vice versa. Then we update the attribute and also save the new theme in local storage so it sticks after reload. Our editing is done. Time to test it. So my OS theme is dark, so it correctly picked up the system theme and applied it. So let's see if it works. If I press this, and yes, it's working. And now if I reload the page, my preferences must stay. And it is still white. That's all thanks to local storage remembering your last choice. I think the button color can be a bit improved. So let's go back to the code, go to our style CSS, and like, okay, let's see how it looks now. Much better. Right, so you have just built a fully functional dark light mode toggle from scratch using just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is a great feature for any portfolio, blog, or personal site. If you found this helpful, check out rest of the JavaScript Bytes playlist for more practical mini projects. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.